Welcome back to another episode of Simple Vegan Recipes. And for this recipe, you will need only three ingredients: almond milk, which is 1 cup, 5 strawberries, and half a banana. So let's go ahead and let's put this in the blender for less than 30 seconds. Okay, folks, so we're all done with the strawberry banana smoothie. Like I always do, encourage you guys to give those simple vegan recipes a try and subscribe to this channel for more simple vegan recipes. And I'll see you next time on Simple Vegan Recipes. Bye for now.